Hello and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. This time we're looking at the clone stamp tool. We have a defect in this image here in the sky. We're going to start this off in Lightroom. We're going to go to Photo, Edit in Photoshop. It asks if we want to edit with the Lightroom adjustments, which we do. We go down to Photoshop, we create another layer. We're working on a background copy, and we'll zoom in to where the defect is. We're already on the clone stamp tool. We hold down the Alt key on the keyboard, Windows keyboard, use the left mouse button to select the area, go over, left mouse button click to remove the defect. File, save, back to Lightroom, and we have a new TIFF file under Edit TIFF. It's as simple as that, the clone stamp tool in Photoshop. Hope you found it useful. Thank you.